kayang labanan ang agos ng paghamon. Mabuwal at matapaman, sabay tayong aahon. Posible kayang maburang alinlangan sa sarili. Ang tapang sa loob makikita, taglay mo ang dugong bayani. Sulong laban, huwag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Sulong laban, huwag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Posible. Posible kayang matikman tamis ng gintong minimithi. Sa kagat ng bawat laban, magtatagumpay kang muli. Sulong laban, huwag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Posible. Sulong laban, huwag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Posible. Posible kayang labanan ang agos ng paghamon. Mabuwal at matapaman, sabay tayong aahon. Posible kayang maburang alinlangan sa sarili. Ang tapang sa loob makikita, taglay mo ang dugong bayani.
Doctor, please raise your right hand and kindly repeat after me. I state your name. Of Philippine Medical Academy of Integrative Medicine, having been appointed to the position of PMIAM President, hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position, Republic of the Philippines, DOH, and Philippine Institute of Traditional and Alternative Healthcare, PTAC, and that I impose this obligation on myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I, Dr.
Jason Sanchez,
PMAIM President, pledge to remain true to this oath.
pledge to remain true to this oath.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
As a practitioner of the art and science of integrative medicine, and naturopathic medicine. By education and example, I will assist and encourage others to strengthen their health, reduce risk for disease, and preserve the health of our planet for ourselves and future generations. I will continually endeavor to improve my abilities. I will conduct my life and practice of integrated medicine with integrity and freedom from prejudice. I will keep confident what should not be divulged. I will honor the principles of integrated medicine. First, do no harm. To cooperate with the healing powers of nature. To address the fundamental causes of disease. To heal the whole person through individualized treatment. To teach the principles of healthy living with my whole heart as a certified licensed member, as an officer of Philippine Medical Academy of Integrated Medicine. I state your name, pledge to remain true to this oath. To God be the glory. Congratulations, Doctor. Thank you.